Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox games. First, download Roblox Studio from the official Roblox website. It is completely free to use. Once installed, launch the application to access a wide range of templates and tools. You can choose a pre-built world or start from a blank canvas. This powerful environment allows you to easily drag and drop elements, customize terrains, and place objects to begin crafting your unique experience. To create an engaging game, begin by outlining a clear objective for your players. Whether it's an obstacle course, a simulation, or a role-playing adventure, a defined goal keeps players motivated. Focus on intuitive controls and simple mechanics so anyone can pick up and play within a few moments. Finally, consistently test your game with friends or a small group. Their feedback is invaluable for refining gameplay and fixing any unexpected issues before a wider release. Bring your game to life by adding interactivity through basic scripting. Even simple scripts can make doors open, platforms disappear, or characters respond to player input. You will use events like touched or clicked to trigger specific functions in your game world. Don't worry if scripting seems complex. The Roblox Developer Hub offers thousands of clear, step-by-step tutorials, making it easy to learn the fundamentals and beyond. Many creators start with simple scripts and expand their knowledge over time. Before publishing, thoroughly test your game across different devices, including desktop computers and mobile phones, to ensure a consistent experience. Once you are confident, navigate to the File menu in Roblox Studio and select Publish to Roblox. This simple action makes your game discoverable by millions of players. Share your game link with friends and the broader Roblox community to gather initial feedback. Their insights can provide fantastic ideas for future updates and improvements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.